Hey guys, my name is Tyler Pulse, and I am a student at the Flatiron Boot Camp, which is a programming boot camp in New York City. It's a full stack web development boot camp. It's teaching us lots of cool skills regarding web development. Right now, what we're on and what I'm going to be talking about is object oriented Ruby. We're not really talking about it, but that's what this project is. This is the final project for our object oriented Ruby curriculum, which has been very challenging, very fun, exciting, um, but and rewarding more than anything. This kind of shows you this is the proof in the pudding. So anyway, we had to build an application using web scraping, using Nokigiri, which is a web scraper. A web scraping essentially is pulling HTML code off a website, and you can do that by just pressing inspect. You pull the right code that you want out of here, and you break it down. You put it in your application, and then you manipulate it and you present it how you like. So I love sports. Always have, always will. I'm always interested in what is on TV. So for me, it was a no-brainer. Let's go to tvguide.com. We'll go to the sports section and let's see what sports are on every day. This updates every day because there's new sports on every day. So I said, why not build something that tracks all that based off of what genre we want to type in. So cue the app. I just wanted to show you the web page I scraped from. So we'll cue that. Well, actually, real quick, this is kind of cool. One of my classmates did this, and I thought it was pretty nifty. He just kind of scrolled through the code just to show you guys what goes on behind the scenes if you don't know much about programming. This is awesome, by the way. This is the logic behind it. What I did is not very intricate yet. I'm new, but I'm proud of it. It looks cool. It looks sweet. It's kind of like, it's kind of like writing a cool story and looking at it like, man, I wrote all that and being proud of what you did. Well, this is kind of how that feels. But yeah, there's the code. These are the main three functioning pieces. There's more to it, but these are the main three that actually make it run. So let's go to the app. I'm already in it, so let me get out of it real quick. Okay, let's start it up. So when you first come to the page, you're going to get a menu. Welcome to the world of sports. Please choose a sport to find out event information and TV airing time. The sport genre must be typed. Remember, all times are in Eastern Standard Time. So it gives you a menu of 10 options. The first 9 are the top 9 most popular sports in America. I picked 10 to be all events because 10 is a solid looking number. I didn't want to have any weird numbers. I didn't want a huge menu because I think it looks kind of tacky. Even though if I wanted to break this down in more detail, I probably could, and I could do it nicely, but I think 10 is solid. We'll start out with a dud. So we know football's not on right now. Super Bowl just ended. No college football, no nothing. So let's type football. By the way, this is not case sensitive. You can type football lowercase. You can type football alternating back and forth, if I could do it. Or you could just do whatever you wanted to. But either way. So let's type football. Boom. So football's not on. So this will always come up if the sport is not on. If no information came up, then your selected sport is not on TV today. To see another option, just type the desired sport. To see the menu again, type menu. And if you want to make us sad, you can leave by typing exit. So we don't want to make me sad. There's no us, but it sounds better. We don't want to make myself sad just yet. Let's do, obviously the menu's up there, but let's look at the menu again just to show the functionality. Menu. Boom. Brings back the same thing we were just at, the same page we were just at, and lets you go from there. This time, let's do something that is on. College basketball is definitely on. There's always games on almost every day. College basketball. Just to show functionality again, let's do college, all caps. Basketball, lowercase. Boom. There we go. This is pretty cool. So we'll scroll all the way up. This is what we typed right below it. It will break this down based off the event. College basketball, Georgia Tech at Louisville. The time shows what channel it's going to be on. Description has Georgia Tech at Louisville. Gives a cool little description. That is definitely not the case with all of them. Sometimes the description is literally 3 words. But basketball seems to have a pretty good breakdown of what's going on, what players, whatnot. Matchup, Georgia Tech at Louisville. Again, another one that will change depending on the sport. There's not always matchups. There's not matchups in golf. There's not matchups in horse racing. Stuff like that. But still, I want to put it in there because they all have some type of this is what's going to be at this event, other than the description under the matchup attribute. So pretty cool. Brought back, I think, 8 or 9 games I counted earlier. So we always had this, though. If no information came up, you select the sport is not on TV today. To see another option, it's kind of like your guide in hand. It's always there unless we type, or unless we put in a typo. Like I said, you have to type the name in. It's not case sensitive, but it is spelling sensitive. So if I do football, and I go footballies, it's going to say, sorry, that is not a menu option. Make sure to check your spelling. To see another option, just type the desired sport. To see the menu again, type menu. So we're back at it. What we can do is the same thing we've always been able to do. We can go to another sport. We know, let's see if golf's on. We can go to another sport. Golf is on. It is on. 3 o'clock PGA Tour event. I probably should watch that. So that's pretty cool. We'll go to menu again just to see. I don't know what else is on, but I think that gives you a good grasp on the program. It's simple. It's nothing crazy, but I like it. I'm proud of it. I think it does its job and it doesn't break, and that's the big thing for me. We'll show the last little bit. What do we do if we type exit? Thanks for checking out Sports Today. Thank you for listening to my tutorial, and if you want to start programming, good luck. It's awesome. All right, we'll see you.